since St. Kizito's time.
Yeah, yes. I think that is, as from a policy perspective, the Minister of Education can respond to that.
Yes, as we've said, we already do not know the cause of this particular fire, and it would be speculative to say it is arson, or otherwise I would suggest that we wait for the outcome of the investigations, and then we can confirm that. But from a policy perspective, we have a safety school manual that all the schools adhere to. And I would urge that we wait to see after the investigations whether that safety manual was adhered to in this particular school. So let's not be speculative at this stage, but we've done a lot in that space. Initially, when Darasha happened, we did close to 350 schools that were not meeting the specifications of that particular manual. So we'll continue doing audits and ensuring that our schools meet the safety manual for schools that is already in place and which we keep updating. But for today, I would urge that this being the very first briefing on this, let's keep it at that as we wait to find out what was the real cause of this particular fire. Thank you very much.
I think we leave it at that. Thank you.